Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you the second chord. And as an example, I have taken this song, Here I Am to Worship. So let's try it out. Light of the world, you stepped down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. So you notice that we had it right there. You stepped down into darkness. Second chord, which is also called the supertonic. Second chord, minor. According to music theory, it can only be a minor chord, but as you notice, we will encounter it as a major chord sometimes as well. And although in theory, you should not have that chord in C major, you happen to have it just for a different reason. And we'll talk about the exact details later on, but for now, you just need to know that practically you do see a D major in the key of C. Sometimes it might be just as a passing chord. Sometimes it might be because it's part of a 2-5-1 progression, or sometimes it might be because you think you're playing a C major scale, but it's actually a Dorian or a different type of scale that you're really playing and that the song is based on. You don't need to really know all that theory, but I just want to let you know that it's very possible for you to see a D major in a C scale. As an example, I've taken this song, Blessed Assurance. That's a hymn and pretty known to the Christian community. And you can have it either at the verse or at the chorus. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. That's like a simple way to play this song.